Grandma, I bought something for you.
What is it?
iFiber. iFiber is the highly nutritious sorghum soya meal that is good for your health.
You mean this one is better than the ones I have been eating before?
Grandma, by the time you taste this one, you have a new experience.
Wow! You know, I'm going to be a food house today. And my daughter is preparing something new for me.
This swallow tastes different from the ones we've tasted before. It is so delicious and succulent.
What is this delicious meal, Grandma?
High fiber, highly nutritious meal with great health benefits. Available at all stores nationwide. Call 090-3344-6662. Produced by Spectra Industries Limited, home of functional foods.